Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the keyboard and preparing the device you'll pair it with. Insert two XAAA batteries, flip the power switch, and watch for the status LED to blink. This shows the keyboard is discoverable. On your phone, tablet, or computer, enable Bluetooth in settings, or if you're using the Logitech unifying USB receiver, plug it into a free USB port. Once done, make sure the device is within about 1 meter, so the signals are strong before you proceed to pairing. Now you'll put the K380 into pairing mode for the specific channel you want to use. Press and hold one of the numbered Bluetooth keys, 1, 2, or 3, for about 3 seconds until the LED flashes rapidly. That flashing means the keyboard is actively discoverable. On your target device, choose Bluetooth settings and scan for available devices. You should see Logitech K380. Tap or click that entry to pair. If using the unifying receiver, open Logitech unifying software and finish the connection by confirming any on-screen pairing code. You'll type the shown numbers on the K380 and press enter to verify. Once paired, the LED will stop flashing and your keyboard is ready to use. If pairing fails, make sure Bluetooth is enabled, toggle it off and on, or try a different channel key, 1, 2, or 3, and repeat. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset power by turning the keyboard off for 5 seconds and back on, and replace batteries if the LED is dim or intermittent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.